welcome to the channel today. Today we're going to be changing the battery in this VW keyless remote. Today we're going to need a 2032 battery. These are available in most stores. Okay, let's get straight into it. Just be careful with this one. It can be a little bit tricky just removing the back. So we've got a little release button here. That releases the emergency key. Should your remote fail, you can't get in the vehicle, this is your emergency access key to get you in the car. Normally on the near side, under a cap on the door handle, but it may vary from model to model, so you need to check that, but that's your emergency access key. Right, let's pop that down. Okay, so what we're going to do, we need to release this back cover. We're going to go in with a small screwdriver, and we're just going to go past the silver surround area inside, pushing on the back there. Just hold the key. Now it can be a little bit tight and tricky, this one, but as you can see, that clipped quite easily. So, and then we just put my finger and thumbs in there. Now it will make a snapping noise as it comes off. As you see, it feels like it's going to break, but it doesn't. But be careful, it is plastic. And we'll flip that round. Battery is placed in, negative side down, positive side up. Just get a little small screwdriver, go in the little indentation there, just put your thumb against it, stop it springing out. And there we go, there's the battery revealed. Okay, we'll get the new battery. Here's one I've taken out of the packet earlier. Okay, so we're going to go in this way, and we just slide it in like that, push down, that clips into place. And then we get the back of the key, which will only go on one way, as you can see. Just hook that side into place there, bring it over and round, fingers and thumbs, that clips into place, we're all good. Get our emergency key, back in, again, will only fit in one way. That clips in also. Just to test it, when you've changed the battery, you get a little red LED here, and as you can see, when you press the button, any of the buttons, it should light up. And that is job done. Please give us a like and subscribe. Check out our other videos, and we'll see you soon.